With coronavirus cases and deaths plummeting nationally, Michigan became the latest state to drop virtually all of its pandemic restrictions on Tuesday, leaving just 4 states in the dwindling minority that haven't fully reopened yet. Many other states have reopened without meeting vaccination thresholds. For example, Mississippi, Louisiana, Wyoming and Alabama are the states the furthest from reaching President Biden's goal of having 70% of residents at least partially vaccinated by July 4. All 4 have yet to crack a 50% vaccination rate, but have dropped their pandemic precautions. The difference in approach divides along party lines, with Republican-run states more hesitant to adopt mask mandates and quicker to drop safety measures. Notably, the 4 states left to fully reopen all have Democratic governors. 16. That's how many states are yet to meet Biden's goal of having 70% of residents partially vaccinated. Though the U.S. is averaging 11,243 new cases and 311 new deaths a day, according to data compiled by the New York Times, public health officials have warned that dwindling vaccination rates could leave some states vulnerable to new coronavirus surges. The number of people receiving their first dose of the COVID-19 vaccine each day is at the lowest point since the vaccine rollout began mid-December. Meanwhile, the more infectious Delta variant spreading quickly around other countries, including the UK, where it delayed the country's planned reopening, has led experts to encourage more urgency regarding vaccinations. Dr. Rochelle Walensky, the director of the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, warned last week that the Delta strain is likely to become the dominant strain of coronavirus in the U.S. As worrisome as this Delta strain is with regard to its hyper-transmissibility, our vaccines work, she said. U.S. vaccination at lowest level since December, leaving some states vulnerable to new COVID surges. Forbes. These 16 states have already reached Biden's July 4 vaccine goal. Forbes. These 4 states are far from reaching Biden's July 4 vaccine goal. Forbes. See reopening